Our project is mainly on understanding what affects employment after college, and we utilize two data sets, each containing multiple CSV files pertaining information regarding college majors and employment. And our hypothesis is that becoming employed after college has a large part to do with factors such as the school and the degree, and varies depending on the person's.
Is Paige on the call? Oh,
One second. I have to get up the words. So. Okay. This first graph shows that unemployment rate varies by category, with arts, sciences, and law and public policy suffering from the highest unemployment rates, and the majors with the lowest unemployment rates are education, industrial arts and consumer services, and physical sciences, which all have unemployment at around.
so for this graph, we did starting salary versus number of people enrolled in the major. So for the y-axis, it shows number of people pursuing the major, and the x-axis shows the starting median salary. And we were expecting a positive correlation to show that people are choosing their major based off of the salary, but it actually turned out to be a slightly negative correlation, indicating that majors with lower enrollment tend to get paid more. And surprisingly, one of the majors with the lowest median starting salary also has the highest enrollment rate. And we created this graph by using a data set that included starting median salary by major and enrollment by major.
This graph is showing the relationship between the percentage of employed graduates and the percentage of graduates employed in the field of their major. Based on the graph, we can see that business majors are most likely to go into a career that does not require their major, while interdisciplinary majors are most likely to go into a field that closely corresponds with their major. For this graph, we merged and melted two data sets to get the information in the format we wanted, and then we put that information into our graph.
This scatter plot shows women majors versus their starting salaries, and it seems that there's a somewhat loosely negative correlation between the starting salaries of a job and the percent of women enrolled in that major, which could means that there's less women enrolling in majors with high average salaries than major with lower average salaries.
For this graph, it shows the relation between different college regions and the amount of money that the graduates make post-graduation. It seems that students graduating from colleges in California and northeastern states earn higher starting salaries than those who graduated from colleges of southern, western, and midwestern regions. For this graph, we used the group by function to group the colleges by region, and then took the average of the starting salaries to create the data that we needed.
The bar graphs above shows salaries based on the type of college, and for these bar graph, we sort of categorize all the colleges by their types and combined with starting median salary. And from the graph, it shows that one is more likely to obtain a higher paying job if they attended an Ivy League or engineering school, as opposed to someone who attended state liberal arts school. And among the Ivy Leagues, Princeton has the highest starting median salary for careers after graduation, and of the engineering colleges, California Institute of Technology have the highest.
In conclusion, one's employment and salary after college may be affected by their major, their college of choice, or even their gender. As shown in the first graph, those with education majors are likely to get a job after college, while those with social sciences majors are less likely to. Furthermore, business majors have very low chances of getting a job directly tied to their major, though they do get a lot of jobs, while interdisciplinary majors have high chances, as shown in the third graph. In the fourth graph, we have seen that there are less women in majors that have been shown to be higher paying. We have also learned in the fifth graph that those who go to colleges in California and the Northeast are very likely to score higher paying jobs. Finally, the last four graphs have shown us that graduates from Ivy League and engineering schools consistently get higher paying jobs than those from state, liberal arts, or party schools.
I think that wraps up our presentation. Thank you guys for listening.